This time on Geek of the Road, I'm replacing a 23-year-old speaker that's really seen better days. Toyota put a premium sound system in a lot of these MR2s. That means there are amplifiers external to the head unit hidden within the body, but also there are subwoofers behind the seats. However, after 20 years, mine aren't sounding very good at all. Therefore, we're going to get them out and we're going to change the speaker unit within them. The first two steps are to remove this grille and this ledge. Removing this section of trim will also make our life a lot easier. Peeling back the carpet, you'll find the speaker enclosure is held in place by 6 bolts. Once removed, the sub box can be lifted out, although don't be surprised if the cardboard spacer ring comes away in your hand. Looking at how the speaker's deteriorated, it's no surprise this sounds awful. Another 4 screws here release the dead speaker ready for the replacement 5¼ inch unit. Although I've seen evidence to say Toyota occasionally used a 4-ohm speaker in this position, the majority of the time they seem to have used 2-ohm units, and that's a problem because nowadays it's really hard to get a hold of a 2-ohm speaker in that size. Therefore I've grabbed a 4-ohm speaker. It may well be that the amplifier's not going to be as good at powering it, but it still beats having a completely dead speaker in that location. There aren't many component speakers of this size on the market, and I couldn't find one that would have fitted directly into these holes. However, the size of the magnet on the back means on this side I need to trim a little bit of plastic on the inside of the enclosure, and on the other side I need to cut away a little bit of the internal padding. Either way, it also means that this speaker is going to be very slightly off centre. Now, to actually fit this speaker, I'm going to have to construct an MDF ring to allow it to sit in place. Having traced the old speaker and the desired location of the new speaker, I've marked out the required hole and screw locations. A drill and jigsaw then make short work of cutting out the adapter. Cliche as it may be, wood screws fix the adapter in place, then a slight cut is needed to the negative spade connector so the narrower terminal will fit. Finally, a quick tweak to the metal frame gives space for shorter screws to fix the driver in place. Using 10mm MDF, the speakers will seal against the chassis just as the discarded spacer ring did, and it is significantly easier to reconnect everything having removed the extra trim earlier. Okay. This upgrade is never going to win any sound-off competitions. I mean, there are 8 speakers in the MR2 and 6 of them are still standard 23-year-old speakers. However, by replacing the 2 that were obviously shot, I no longer have to be embarrassed at the sound quality when I turn up the stereo. And so that has sorted out the subs behind my seats. Please like, comment and subscribe and join me again next time on Geek of the Road.